In this video, we will explore top design styles for software walkthrough video.
And they want it. So why bother with mass-targeted campaigns that are hit or miss at best if most of them find it irrelevant? Isn't there a better way to approach this? We have just the thing, the Capillary Campaign Manager. Say your women's apparel brand just launched a new winter collection. As a marketing manager,
also known as DAI. To better understand it, let's take the example of Fun TV, a live TV channel played nationally so that everyone received the very same content at the very same time. We call this version of the TV channel the national feed. Now let's say that an ad break is inserted in between two programs. This ad break is played
about your fleet and the ecosystem into one place. Performance, navigation, reporting, compliance. No silos, no barriers, only intelligence, connectivity, and assurance. Saas is a holistic decision-making support platform that provides data insights to owners.
Keeping your data private while giving you easy access on all your favorite devices. Creating and sharing strong passwords is easier than ever in 1Password 8, but we've gone far beyond logins to help you secure, store, and manage your entire digital life. 1Password can handle payment information, medical records, development secrets, sensitive documents.
Comes in. Our commerce protection platform uses artificial intelligence and commerce data from a global network of merchants to strike the perfect balance between friction and security. With Signified, merchants can scale their business through smart automation, empower their employees to tailor those
sent to local workers who typically accept jobs within minutes. Workers choose the roles and shifts they're interested in, ensuring it's a perfect fit for everyone. You'll be able to see the profiles of workers before they arrive for the job, helping you learn more about the jobs they've worked in the past and recognize their friendly faces.
To make information more discoverable, or embedding real-time analytics for personalized insights. Atlas has all the tools you need to build data-driven user experiences in a single developer data platform. And when you need to go big, Atlas grows with you, with features like seamless and elastic scaling of compute and storage.
Gone are the days of delivering costly, time-consuming, and paper-based building compliance, but many teams still find themselves stuck in the past. Our highly configurable web-based platform digitizes the collection, storage, analysis, and reporting of your building condition assessment and compliance data.
Decisions your company depends on. But what happens when the data is wrong? Bad data wastes time and resources, erodes trust, and results in lost or missed revenue. Companies lose millions of dollars per year due to bad data. From missed opportunities, to misallocated marketing budgets, to inaccurate processing,
to reduce error and fraud. Pay suppliers and beneficiaries and track payments using any payment method all in one place. And save time when paying one-time suppliers. Use Coupa to pay long-tail suppliers with virtual cards. No onboarding necessary. Then, unlock opportunities to increase
chance, not with O, because we'll show you your system's vulnerabilities, identify those most at risk, and say this, fix this. We collect live attack and breach data from an array of threat feeds in real time to know what could pose a breach. And then, our threat processor correlates that information to your environment, so you can do
early 1900s, when John Dolby founded a company to work with Thomas Edison's dictation invention. Together, they brought this new documentation technique to business people everywhere. Fast forward 100 years later, and you'll find that Dolby has continued to provide the productivity and accuracy of dictation and transcription to those who need it. Not only does Dolby's
projects are developed and presented for vote. We believe that striking a balance between infrastructure owners and currency holders is the only way to build a robust currency, now and for the long term. Decred has shown resilience where others have failed, thanks to our modular platform that allows us to integrate new features.
May work. But with LifeSize, collaboration doesn't just work. It's easy. LifeSize gives users a solution that's easy to use, gives management a solution that's easy on the wallet, and gives IT a solution that's easy to set up and manage. One simple-to-use conferencing and collaboration tool, one low cost, and one reliable solution.
For billions of people globally, changing the way we pay, transfer, and exchange for the better. With Superfluid, continuous value transfer is now possible through programmable money streams. literal second-by-second streams of money that can react to virtually any kind of logic you program them to. Web3
opportunities for organizations to innovate and gain a competitive edge are limitless. But with fast-moving regulatory disruption, rapidly shifting customer expectations, and an explosion in competition, it's important to evolve in order to thrive.
Teledyne's DDR4 is manufactured in an ultra-compact organic package with a 391-pin BGA. The DDR4 is single-event latch-up free up to more than 60 LET, and single-event functional interrupt and single-event upset cross-sections are available up to 60 LET. It has been successfully tested up to
remotely. The number of ransomware threats, expanding compliance needs, and risks to your devices has never been higher. Small and mid-sized businesses can't keep up, and the bad guys know it. Just one deceptive link or convincing phishing email can infect your system with ransomware. Once malware blocks you from accessing your data, it holds you hostage until the demanded ransom fees.
Complexities to us while staying in control. Our proprietary workflow application provides full visibility of the end-to-end process, so you know what is happening at any point in time. With all your lease documentation in one place, you can access what you want when you want. And LeaseHub is cloud-based, so it's
healthy and happy. Protective measures keep them safe from harm. Every aspect is carefully managed and documented so that they can eagerly grow and multiply.
And scale your application. Getting started with Elastic Beanstalk is easy. Migrate your application by uploading your source code bundle to Elastic Beanstalk using the Management Console or command line interface. Elastic Beanstalk returns a URL for your new web app and automatically handles the deployment details, such as provisioning, load balancing.
Is no longer the biggest problem. It's managing all of your connectivity providers. Keeping your products connected can get complicated. So, how do you get IoT connectivity that works globally? Well, roaming can help, but some countries' regulations change so fast, your products can become non-compliant.
As bright as the future looks, there is one dark cloud ready to unleash rain. For merchants, payment fraud is the kind of shower you don't want to be under. It affects over half of all businesses, spoiling revenue day after day, one drop at a time. Take shelter with Go Cardless Protect.
Their personal devices, accessing any application, your organization's attack surface has never been wider. To defend against increasingly sophisticated attacks like phishing and ransomware, you can keep adding more security products. But stitching together point solutions leaves you with security gaps.
To be able to collaborate and book in person. Cadence gives you access to your team's schedule, so you always know when people are coming to the office and what spaces they've booked. And because everything's synced up, you can easily make changes on the fly, so you never miss a beat. Cadence gives you the power.
Marketplace. Here's how it works. Make sure your organization is enrolled in our Microsoft Cloud Partner Program. Then log into Partner Center. There you can follow the prompts to get your solution on Marketplace. After your solution is listed, Marketplace rewards become available. Just go to the Benefits tile.
Manage the more innovative, high-value work. Using our code refactoring platform, one of several powerful AI tools in our NCI-SHE framework, government agencies can continue to develop on their legacy code while AI continuously modernizes your changes.
We use an AI. This time, it's your car. Here's what you need to consider. First, book a position at the nearest gas station. Second, think about all the additional functionalities you might need while recharging your vehicle. As a user of the loyalty program, you can save money by using your collected points or